Here we go. Oh God, this looks like it's straight out of a horror movie. Hello? Yeah, the first thing I see. What's up, guys? Doing another abandoned adventure. Today we're at a really cool spot. It's called JPOPP Park. It was a World War II military weapons factory and ammunition factory. And they also did bomb testing here to see like what effects bombs would have on cities and such back in like the 1940s and 30s. And they did all that testing on this grounds right behind me. Basically what we're looking for today is an abandoned weapons and ammunition factory that's somewhere on this land. It's 4,500 acres of land, so it's gonna probably take us a while to find it. We got a lot of searching to do. And the thing is, that kind of makes this hard as well, as there's a lot of cops driving around and it is off limits to the public completely. Straight up. So yeah, we're gonna head on inside and see what we can find. Alright guys, so we made it into JPOPP Park, and this is like one of the most iconic parts of it besides the factory that we're looking for. As you can see, like around me there's this weird structures of like, what the fuck was this? I don't know, what do you guys think that this is made of? Because there's the concrete and then there's like this like clay, like pottery almost style, like acrylic shit.
I would say something to do with the clay. You can see how light, how fragile it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty brittle.
What's back here? Yeah, like this definitely wasn't like a structure for a building. Guys, there's like a clearing over here if you want to come onto this clearing. Like, why is this here?
Don't put all your weight on. I'd use it more. I might crack.
What if it just like tipped over, bro? All right, Andy's gonna fly up the drone to see what we can see above us and see if we can see any other structures that are nearby and see what the heck we're actually like standing in right now. Gonna fly up the drone quick?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go over there.
Okay.
All right, split up. That's what they do in like all the horror movies, right? You're supposed to split up. I brought my rape whistle with me, so we're good. We're golden. This isn't really what I'm trying to find. I'm not trying to find these little pillars. There's like old abandoned smokestacks and evidently buildings next to them because there used to be a factory here. I'm just gonna venture off and see if I can find it. He's in the drone right now. Maybe he'll find the abandoned factory that I'm looking for. Oh, what? Oh, God. We're gonna pick this up, put that over that. Who knows, some kid could be coming through here in the dark, just doing what I'm doing, being a YouTubing idiot, and then just boom, really hurt himself, so we'll save his life. Okay, there's more pillars. Literally, they took all the casings off of the pillars and just have them piled up right here. I don't know, guys. I have no idea what this stuff is for, but it's kind of cool just to see it, like chilling, you know? I like history and to kind of think of what the hell it was. So I just walked back from the pillars, which are right here. And this is where things get interesting, because this tar road is here, and it can mean one of two things. It can either mean this once was the road to the factory, which, dude, this road I can tell has not been used because there is shit coming out of the cracks. It's definitely an older road, which makes me feel a lot better about this road. Otherwise, number two thing is, like, this road is in use all the time, and it's new, which means that this isn't as abandoned as I thought, but this definitely looks like a road out of, like, a horror film. It's just shit's coming up through the cracks, like, it's obviously not being used, which is great. That just leads me more to believe that this is abandoned. Okay, this is where things are gonna start to get really creepy because the sun is going down and I am here alone now. So I'm right here, I have to make it over there. So it's kind of like telling me to go that way. So I'm assuming this is it. Hey, get her done. This is where even for things for me kind of get like sketch and scary is like when the sun starts going down. I've never been here. I have no idea what's gonna happen, what's going on, what I'm gonna see, who's gonna be back here, if there's anyone back here. I'm stoked, I'm scared. I see some buildings. Yes, dude. Here we go. Okay, I'm pretty sure those silos that I showed you guys the picture of, those have been torn down ever since. I'm just assuming that because we should be able to see them with the drone when we fly over. You know, we should be able to see that stuff. But we do have a building right in front of me, a structure, and I'm gonna walk you guys through it. This is awesome. This is urban exploration at its finest. I guess if you're in this situation ever, just be thankful that you get to see this kind of stuff. Here's the building. There's an opening. They didn't finish the fence. Oh, fuck, and the doors are open. Okay, guys, stop what you're doing right now and like this video, share this video. Please subscribe to me on YouTube so I can continue to keep doing this. It's your support that makes me continue to do this stuff, show you guys these places, and keeps my drive going. Thank you guys so much for supporting me so far. Let's get inside this building and hopefully we don't get jumped by a bum. Here we go. Oh God, this looks like it's straight out of a horror movie. Hello? Oh man, first thing I read on the door. Okay. Oh, f that, dude. Okay. Let's just move along this way. You know what I'm going to do? Just because I'm kind of smart. I'm just making the most noise in the fucking world. I'm not about to let these doors get closed on me while I'm inside of there. That, okay, before we go and move on now. Oh my God. Yeah, how scary would that be if those doors just fucking bam. Oh boy, white power signs. Oh, fuck a ladder. Yeah, the first thing I see. Okay. Well, it's that. That's nothing. With friends as close as family. Okay. All right. Oh, does this come open? I definitely put all my weight on that, but I'll try one more time. No, it's cemented up there. Okay. I don't know what the hell that is. I really want to go up there. I just can't reach my camera up there. Oh, it scared the fuck out of me. Nothing. All right, I feel like I'm alone, but that's the worst when you like feel that you're alone and you're really not alone. Okay, so maybe my camera can see something up there. I'm gonna try and just reach it up in there. Doesn't look like too much. All right, well that's freaky as fuck. I think we did our justice here. We did what we could do in this one. It's kind of empty, nothing really in there. Oh, it's kind of somewhere where you could probably hide a dead body. Oh, gross. Does it go way back there? Oh yeah. No, I'm not about it. Made it out alive. Here is what I was talking about, guys. I'm pretty sure this is it. These 4 bases are the bases of where those silos used to be. And I don't know what they used for the bases here, but yeah, this is where it was. It sucks that they're not here anymore. Those were big, eerie pillars, and it'd have been cool to get those on footage. So now we're on the outside of the building. Some creepy, like, prison cage. I'm just gonna go back here, I guess. Holy fuck. Shut up. Okay. Ew. Yeah, they're just like empty. Grody. Definitely nothing. No ladder or nothing. That's disappointing. Oh, yes! Yes, guys! This is the exact location. Those silos really were sitting right over there where I showed you those last 4 ones. Because remember, this graffiti was on that picture from God knows when. That sucks that they tore those down, man. Okay, so I think we're heading to the last but not least structure right now. And then I gotta get out of here because it's gonna be pitch black. I'm not gonna be able to find my way back to the woods. So, here's one more building. Nuts, man. Let's see what we can see. Whoa. Whoa, it's just like a big old hallway. Some kids' toys. Okay, so I definitely need to try and figure out how to get up on top of this structure now. That's the goal. This is some good graffiti, guys. I'm impressed. Cool. Big open field. I definitely feel a little more safer now that there's a big field here. Oh, path. Nice. Yeah, dude, that building was definitely creep show, and I'm glad I at least got to stick my camera up in there to see if there's anything like immediately right there. But man, how crazy that would have been if those doors would have closed on me though. That's why I put that tire in there right away. I was like, nope, I've watched way too many horror movies for this. So let's see if we can get around this wall. I'm just gonna walk around the whole thing. Oh, here, there's like a little lean-to. Can definitely try and climb that lean. This is wicked, weird. Oh, there's a fence over here. Maybe there's like a doorway. Dude, what? Yo, this place is huge. Wow, oh my God. You guys. Wow, this is so cool. I'm just like flabbergasted right now. They're like, what is going on? All right, you guys, I gotta say, I am pretty proud of myself now. I'm pretty satisfied. I'm glad that I did not just leave in the car and I went and explored a little further for you guys to catch this, for you guys to see this. This is cool as hell. I don't know what it is, but it is just huge. This whole place is massive. Like, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. All right, guys, I think it's about time for JPOPP to get the heck out of here. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Thank you everybody who has been watching these videos, these urban exploration ones I started to post. This is a huge little hobby of mine that I've come to find. I love going to these abandoned places, checking out old abandoned history and just kind of thinking like, what used to be here? What was this place, you know? And I love making these videos for you guys. So please subscribe, please hit that like button, please share this video to anyone else who you think would be interested in this type of stuff. It helps me out tremendously and keeps me going. So thank you guys so much. And until next time, peace. Just because you see someone else go and do it doesn't mean that you should too. If you ever go out exploring like this, make sure you're safe. Always go with a buddy. You know, leave the dumb stuff to the YouTubers. That's what we're here for. I don't want anyone to go out of their way to make something crazy and end up getting hurt or get in trouble. So please be professional when you go do this kind of stuff. Be safe and always go with a buddy. So again, thanks guys for watching.